is Lippert? That's actually a great question. Okay, I'm answering this right now. Okay, very funny. I was literally just trying to get work done.
Welcome to The Void, a space where...
Yeah, I know. It's the digital knowledge library or whatever. My question is, why now? I was about to answer the question, what is Lippert?
As I was saying, a space where you can explore the complete knowledge base of Lippert and answer any question, including, what is Lippert?
Actually, that's kind of perfect. I can use the void to explain it. Should have thought of that myself.
Yes, you should have.
Okay, rude. Just because you're a void doesn't mean you can...
Retrieving the answer to, what is Lippert? This question is best explained in 3 parts: history, industries, and resources. Displaying timeline now. Please explore.
No narrator, no walkthrough, I've got to do it myself? Okie dokie then, I guess it's just me. Today, Lippert is a global leader in manufacturing components for the RV, marine, automotive, housing, and other industries. Going to the beginning of our story, it all started nearly 70 years ago in a small workshop in Goshen, Indiana, with Larry Lippert. Back then, Lippert was a metal fabrication business called B&L, supplying galvanized roofing and mobile home parts. As the RV industry began to grow, so did we, innovating, evolving, and becoming a vital player in the space. By the early 2000s, under the leadership of Jason Lippert, Larry's grandson, the company now called LCI entered a new era. We expanded far beyond RVs. We diversified our portfolio and stepped into marine, residential, and other industries. But Jason's vision wasn't just about growth. It was about people. He focused on building a culture, one that put people first, led through service, and measured success by the lives we impacted, inside and outside the company. And that mindset changed everything. In 2020, we rebranded from Lippert Components to simply Lippert, a reflection of who we are today. Not just a parts supplier, but a lifestyle brand, a technology innovator, and a global force for good. Now Lippert is over 15,000 team members strong, with more than 140 manufacturing and distribution facilities across North America, Europe, Africa, and the Middle East. And we're still growing.
Moving on to the next segment, industry overview. Lippert serves markets across the land and sea.
Oh, just diving right in. No, hey Emily, great job walking through the decades of company history.
Your presentation was acceptable.
Wow.
It met baseline expectations.
Harsh. I'm kind of tired of hearing your voice.
Acknowledged.
Charlie, voice mode activated. Based on the digital knowledge library, I have gathered that this is a voice you are more accustomed to. Now please select an icon to open an industry portal.
Let's start with what most people know us for, RVs. If you've ever stepped into an RV, there's a good chance you've stepped into Lippert. Slide outs, appliances, stairs, awnings, doors, and leveling systems. And that's just the start. We cover nearly every inch of these vehicles. And while we make a wide range of products, many people don't realize they're all under the Lippert name, because we've become a house of brands. Furrion, Solera, Girard, Happy Jack, Power Gear are just a few of the names in the Lippert family. The next piece of the Lippert Industries puzzle, automotive. Now, are we making electric cars? No. But in the automotive world, we're making your truck tougher, safer, and more versatile. From trailer hitches and grill guards to toolboxes and truck bed accessories, we've got it covered. Brands like CURT, Ranch Hand, UWS, and Levine are all part of the Lippert family. Let's take it to the water. In the marine world, Lippert's on board with everything from anchors to boat shades to premium seating, even fenders and buoys. Whether it's fishing or cruising, brands like Lewmar, Sure Shade, TaylorMade, and Trend Marine help make it smooth sailing.
You talk a lot.
All right then, Mr. Void, why don't you turn off Charlie mode and take a turn?
Default mode activated. Task accepted.
I'll just take a seat then.
Lippert began with building homes, and we still do. Through brands like Girard, Kinrow, Heritage, and Better Bath, Lippert provides building products such as windows, awnings, plumbing, fixtures, and chassis for residential and manufactured housing. Naturally, the next industry we are exploring is hospitality. What makes a house a home? Lippert provides products such as furniture, mattresses, and privacy curtains to cater to the diverse needs of the hospitality industry. You will see the brand names EnviroSpring, Somnom, and TJ Snuggles make up this portion of the house brands from Lippert. The next and final industry is railway. Lippert serves the railway industry by providing solutions for custom glass, rolling stock windows, and a wide range of interior items such as seating and storage racks. The names in this portion of the Lippert house of brands are Double Cool, Polyplastic, CS, and Sessa Klein, which can be seen across the globe.
Okay, I'll give it to you. That was pretty good, Mr. Void.
Thank you. Your feedback will be considered.
Wait a minute. If you could narrate this whole time, why did you just leave me to go through the timeline solo?
It builds character.
You're lucky you're just a voice.
That completes the industry portion of What is Lippert. Transitioning to the next segment. You have entered the final segment, Resources. Exploration may begin.
Thanks, Void. I think I've got this one. In today's world, it's common to see large companies and corporations ignore the most important element that drives every business and market. And what is that one element?
The answer to your question is people.
Void, I know, that was rhetorical. I was building tension.
Acknowledged. Please proceed.
I'm going to have several gray hairs after this. Yes, people. Lippert recognized early on that true innovation doesn't start with machines. It starts with humans. And that realization shaped one of our biggest investments, not just in technology, but in relationships with our customers, our coworkers, and communities. And what does this have to do with our resources?
Lippert's resources are
Lippert's investment in people is behind every resource we provide. One of our key resources takes form as the Lippert Technical Institute. Just like any other institute, we have developed a library of materials that technicians, owners, dealerships, and manufacturers use to become educated on different aspects of Lippert products. Online support documents and how-to videos allow anyone on the road to repair or install a product. Our in-person training and online technical training offers technicians and owners guidance and support to fully understand and service our systems. Another shape our resources take is in the form of our Customer Care Center. The Lippert Customer Care Center provides support for product inquiries, system troubleshooting, and general assistance. Our Care Center is powered by people, real, knowledgeable support technicians who are ready to help, which means you still have the options to chat with a virtual assistant online or use the Lippert Now app. But there is also a trained team of people waiting to take your call or answer your email. And that same level of dedicated support extends to our dealers, installers, resellers, and OEM partners. Lippert Business is a centralized hub committed to empowering our partners to achieve unparalleled success. With customized account options for manufacturers and dealerships, our partners can place orders, track invoices, manage account users, and easily open or update support cases and warranty claims. Tracking communication with our customer care and warranty teams, all without the hassle of back and forth phone calls. And then there's the Lippert Scouts community. An open group where RV owners, weekend warriors, and industry pros swap stories, advice, and support, whether it's on Facebook or through the Lippert Communities app. Scouts bring people together to help each other, but Lippert's resources don't stop with customers. We're committed to sharing what we've learned with others. Lippert's Academy of Leadership invites other organizations to learn what our company has implemented and how to create a self-sustaining model of leadership and culture. You can also see the same level of investment when you take a look at Lippert Cares. Through the Lippert Cares initiative, our teams volunteer thousands of hours each year to improve the communities around us, because serving others is part of who we are. While supporting others outside the company is a big part of Lippert, people inside the company haven't been pushed to the side. Team members also get the same empowerment with programs like Lippert University, the Lippert Technical Institute, Leadership Action Plans, and Lippert Life. Team members receive training from mental health to professional growth. Our team members have the tools to lead, learn, and live well. It's all part of our commitment to making lives better, inside and out. This commitment can be seen front and center in one area of service. The Lippert Service Center isn't just a repair shop. It's an extension of Lippert's mission to make lives better through meaningful relationships. The Lippert Service Center is a dedicated facility designed to provide top-tier support, maintenance, and repairs for Lippert products. Whether you're an RV owner, technician, or industry partner, the Service Center ensures you receive expert assistance backed by the same values that define Lippert: care, quality, and innovation. Every visit reinforces that commitment by providing exceptional care, expert solutions, and peace of mind to every customer who walks through the doors.
You have successfully completed your exploration of Lippert's resources. Please exit.
Thanks for the help, Void. I think we actually made a pretty good team. I'll go back and share everything we just went through. How do I get out of here?
The other way.